Hi, I'm Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner of Bloodworth Law, with offices in Orlando and Winter Haven, Florida. At Bloodworth Law, we handle many different types of business and contract litigation for clients across Florida. Today, I'm going to talk about the differences in defamation, libel, and slander. When discussing these terms, it's important to understand that defamation is the general umbrella we'll be talking about in reference to libel and slander. Libel is written defamation, while slander is verbal defamation. So, what is defamation? Defamation is the act of damaging an individual's or a company's reputation. A legal cause of action for defamation can be brought by an individual or a company, and the individual or company can bring an accusation of defamation when either a written statement or a verbal statement prejudices the individual or company in the conduct of its trade, business, or in its management and methods of doing business if they've been impugned. For example, let's say a disgruntled employee leaves a medical practice, gets on social media, and makes false statements such as, "The doctors at XYZ medical office are committing malpractice and Medicare fraud." As a result of this former employee's claiming that the practice was committing Medicare fraud, and it loses some patients, that's defamation. In litigation, there are four basic elements that a person claiming they were defamed must plead and prove. They are: 1, there must be a statement of alleged fact that has a defamatory effect and the falsity of that statement identifying the plaintiff as the subject of the statement. 2, it must be published to a third party, either in writing or by word of mouth. 3, the person making the statement must have known it was false or acted in a negligent manner making the statement. And finally, there has to be some type of compensable damage to the plaintiff. So that's our basic explanation of defamation, clarifying the difference between libel and slander and the necessary elements that must be proven. In another video, I will explain the difference in per se defamation versus per quod defamation. Again, I'm Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner of Bloodworth Law. If you are dealing with a legal dispute, give me a call. Let's discuss how Bloodworth Law can help you, your family, or your business.